Boom. A little bit foggy today, boys. We got the Kokanee King here today. I wanted to go kokanee fishing. He's like, no, I want to go catch some fish to eat. Well, you can eat kokanee, but nah, look at your setup, dude. Little Lancer jigs. Oh yeah, there you go. Stinger hooks. Double hook setup. Got your cooler faced the right way so you can get into it now. That's key.
That's key.
That's key. Oh, look at this blue kayak. Nice looking kayak. Got a list.
Drop it there and see how much water is in front of your kayak.
Good idea. Hopefully none. Okay, here we go. Is there any water?
Maybe like a quarter gallon.
Is that enough to...
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah. That's from rolling it the last time on the river. Whoa. Oh, Steve-O, man, look at him go. You gotta catch the first link fish, I guess. I ain't racing you. Called a drive-by.
Hi, Jim.
Hey, Steve-O. Kokanee King, man. Oh, look how calm our rock is this morning, dude. We could probably shoot the left side today. I hear the boats coming. Somebody's got a crab pot or two out there. Well, good morning. This is as good of place as any to start my intro. So, welcome to Yak Ventures. If this is your first time finding the channel, check it out. Do a lot of kayak fishing. A lot of it is centered around the ocean. I'm out of wind. Whew. Hold on, hold that thought. What are you looking at?
Just wondering which way we're going.
That way. I want to get some of those cabbies.
So you want to go to the north side of the lighthouse?
Yeah, the north side till the wind kicks us off.
Okay.
Of course, we'll probably fish before we get there, but yeah. Yeah. So, okay, where was I? So, happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, what is today? July 3rd, right? July 3rd. My parents' anniversary was July 1st. They've been happily married, with the key being happily married, 60 years. So good on you, Mom and Dad. I love you, and great examples you are for us kids. So yeah, here we are. Beautiful Sunset Bay on the Oregon coast. Today we don't have much of a swell, but we got some pretty good winds coming up, like 15 to 20 by this afternoon. So we're gonna catch our fish early. I put on the 2-hook setup so I can double down and get those fish caught. You can legally keep cabezon here on the Oregon coast starting July 1st until the quota's met, or the whatever they allot. So some people call it poor man's lobster. Flay it up, cut it into little chunks, boil it in some butter and garlic. Have you a shrimp boil, a cabezon boil. I don't know why I'm trying to do Forrest Gump right now. Yeah, you know, what you got? Shrimp. You got shrimp gumbo, you got fried shrimp, bowl shrimp, whatever. Hey, look at this beautiful Oregon coast. Oh yeah. I like days like this where you can get in tight, you can get in close, fish some of that rocky structure. Oh, she's getting big. We're turning her around. Bigger, bigger. Not big, but bigger. Oh yeah. She's a little bit foggy this morning, so I'm gonna fire up the Simrad. Get the old radar going so I don't get runned over by any of those sporty boats. Hey, this might be the day that we finally see our great white. We've been waiting for one to show up, you know. Bleep, 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 yeah. Not. All right, man. Gotta focus a little bit. Hey, welcome to Yak Ventures. Welcome to kayak fishing. And let's get some 4th of July cabezon today. Well, one. Well, we can keep one. All I've had this morning is 2 cups of coffee, so the caffeine kicked in. Probably kicked in right now. Welcome. Guidelines. Yeah, as soon as we come out of the bay, we turn north. Hooked a right, hard right. We're going between that first big old rock there and the reef. Normally you don't want to be in here when it's swelly, because you're fighting the swells coming at you, plus the bounce back from the reef coming that way. But yeah, here we are. We're gonna have some fun fishing today. Oh, it's nice when this ocean finally cooperates and lets you get out and harvest some of her bounty. All right, we switched it to the dual mode. Got the fishing chart on the left and we got the bottom on the right. Oh, I'm gonna throw a couple cats at that rock and try to pick off some suspended blacks, okay? Alrighty, we're gonna start off the 6 sits, swim bait, line through head, yada yada yada, 1/2 ounce with a rusty treble hook. I said rusty. Trying to do fish like Brian now with Rusty's tackle. He's laughing over there.
You can't fish like me, you're not good enough.
Yeah. Yo, here comes the heckling. Anyway, yeah, look at this. I dipped the Mayor Crush City Mayor swim bait in some JJ Magic. And then up the line a little bit, I tied in a flipping hook, dude. That's money. Yeah, I tied in a flipping hook with some a grub from England Marine. England Marine has good tackle. No, I'm not sponsored by England Marine, but yeah, anyhow, look at there. Let's go catch some fish. Oh my God, you got my wheels, my pedals. What do I need to do? You really got me.
Yeah.
Okay, what do I do?
Drifted right over the top of me.
I was too busy yakking, wasn't I?
I got it.
Whatever you gotta do to slow me down, bro. Woo, we definitely got a got a current today. Ugly. Ugly. You got one? You got a rock cod, dude. Uh-oh. Ah. Dang it. Got a frizzy, man. Scratch that idea. I'm gonna go out around it. Not too bad today. Kind of nice fishing in this tight stuff. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Hey, I got a lingcod, buddy. That didn't take long. Oh, that's a bass. A little black bass. Easy there, boy. Woohoo!
It doesn't look like a lingcod.
Yeah, it's no lingcod, is it? Oh, he was down a little bit deeper. Look at his. Look at his tongue. That, yeah, air bladder. Got him. Got him. Number one Uno on the stringer. Don't leave home without the kitchen shears, you know, the ones your wife uses to cut chicken with. Make sure she's not home when you grab them. Fish on, you got one, huh, Steve-O? Good morning, man. It smells like fish. We got one. We got one to start with. Oh yeah, dude, just like Donkey Kong. Number two. Oh yeah, they're good today. They're on the bite today. I'm all hung up in my pedals.
Sean,
Huh?
I think I lost him.
Why'd you do that? Ah. Right there. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. Get the old kitchen shears and Get rid of that blood.
Remember when we went steelhead fishing in that line on that reel?
Somebody's calling me.
That's this reel here. Nope. I had a little bit of vacuum out of that.
Well, by golly, they're eating crab. They're eating little Dungeness crab. Dirty suckers. All right, we switched you to the old chesty cam, man. I got a little more control over being able to show off the action a little bit. Check out the swim bait with that JJ Magic chartreuse tail right there. That looks pretty juicy. So far, that's been taken over the grub. We got to fix it. We got a little something going on there. So yeah, when they bite this, they fight the hook. Swim bait goes up and down the line. Ingenious idea, if I say so myself. Not much current today. We're only using a half an ounce, so it takes a little bit to get down there to 70 feet, but we're just fishing one little rock pile right here and gonna pick up our 4 blacks right here. How many you got there, Steve-O?
1.
Look how close you are to the rocks, dude.
We're not supposed to be here?
No, I just want you to just pay attention to your surroundings is all.
I'm just going where you guys go.
Yeah, you notice I'm not over there.
We've been in worse spots.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we've been in worse spots. That's why now we don't go in bad spots.
I think I got a link on.
Oh, you got a lingcod? I'm coming. I'm coming, Steve-O. Don't lose it. Yeah. Looks like you got the bottom, dude. Yeah, you do. That's a genuine. Is it pumping the rod?
That's the bottom.
You got, yeah, you got a rock cod. Looks good, Steve. Don't break your pole. Yeah, that's because you're moving. You're bobbing up and down. Getting closer to those rocks. You're on your own, bud. Bud. What movie was that? Bud. Bud. The old caffeine's kicking in. Hey, my dad called me, and I honestly picked up the phone, but my hands had just got done touching the fish, so they're wet. So there's no way I could like answer the phone. So we don't have much current, which is nice, and I got a light swim bait head that I'm sending down, so I just kind of pedal in a circle and drop it down so that I try to stay above it. Oh, got bit. Ooh, got. Nope, nope. We'll get him on the next one. So I guess we could have went to a crescent and got our limit in the first half hour, or we could come here and get our limit in the first half hour, huh? Woo, it smells like fish over here.
You got 2, Jim?
Yepper.
How many you got, Brian? Nothing yet.
Brian just holds out for the big uns. That's old Musky King over there. What are we doing? Are you making like a latte over there? Shaking it up? Okay, you can see how I'm kind of corkscrewing around these marks that I have, because of what I've marked in the previous is these reef columns or structure. And there's fish right there, and we're just doing tight circles around that, picking up fish. Okay, we're coming up on the structure. The current's pushing us north. No, actually, it was pushing us south, but we're in this cove here, so maybe it's a little funky monkey out in this cove. But we should start getting bit anywhere in here. After this fish, if it's a black, we're gonna start fishing for cabezon and lingcod a little bit different. But if we don't get bit here, I actually want to catch a black bass, you know, casting the swim bait and reeling it back versus fishing vertical. So maybe I should abandon this drift right here and do that right now. Bottom's kind of blank, but we did pick up a few here, couple good ones. Little on the windy side, a little bit of breeze so far, but it's nice not fighting those big old 6 to 12 foot swells. No, time to do something different. Time to do something different. How you doing, Steve? Ratchet, doggone it. That's okay, Lancer Jigs loves you.
I'm sure they do.
Yeah, I don't have on more than a ½ ounce. It's taken me a little while to get down, but we don't have much of a current. You might be able to get away with like a 2 ounce Lancer instead of a 4. But yeah, that happens. I'm gonna reverse you, so I'm gonna reverse me. I mean, I want to run into the beautiful Hobie there. You know, as Hobie guys, we got to stick together. All right, how about a little cast and catch, huh? Ugh. There we go. We're trying to get some of those suspended blacks. Hey, we're gonna go fish this pinnacle that one day I'm gonna not scuba dive. One day I'm gonna snorkel on this when we get a flat day and I got my wetsuit on. I'm gonna spear me a lingcod right off of that pinnacle there before I completely give up on this old kayak fishing. Oh, okay, so here's a little tip. At least this is what I do. You can do whatever you want to do, but you see that pinnacle right there? See how the swells are washing up on it? If you fish on this side of it, which is fine, and you get busy, you hook a fish, or you get snagged up, or you're looking at your phone or texting your girlfriend or something, you might not realize that a swell might pick you up and set you down gently on that rock and mess your day up. So what we're gonna do is fish the other side of it. That way, when I am playing with my phone, when I am snagged up and all that stuff, I don't get picked up and set down on that pinnacle right there. That probably makes pretty good sense, right? All right, we're gonna cast over to it and we're gonna see if we can't get some of those suspended fish that are on it. Man, I can't not wait. I gotta do it, man. I'm gonna have to try on the old wetsuit again and maybe lay off on the ho-hos or something, lose a little weight and try to get back into that thing, take you guys underwater with me like I did when I first started this channel. Man, it was more of a spear fishing type deal. Like, I totally got into this kayak fishing because I was looking for the right kayak to come out here and go spear fishing. Yeah, it's pretty cool underneath that water with all that cool stuff swimming around you. Here we go. Woo-wee. Looks pretty turbulent underneath us. All right, we're gonna cast one right into the foam over there. Here we go. Bingo, chakalaka. Turn this kayak so we can see it a little better. face into the teeth of it. There we are, right there. You can't do this on a day when you got a bunch of swell. When you got a little swell, as long as you pay attention, you're okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Dang it, I knew better. Doggone it. I gotta, dang it. Forget that. Let me get around you. I was just talking about how you don't want to, well, you get tangled. There, I got it loose, it looks like. All right, don't believe everything you hear on the internet, okay? Gee whiz. My heart race just took off, man. I ain't going over near that rock at all. Come and get me now. Come on. We want to get a swim bait bite going here. Maybe I should have brought the 10-inch mag draft, huh? Woo! Sloshy, sloshy. Oh. Be fun to be down there clutching that rock about 10 feet with the spear gun, you know. Whammo! Okay, let's get out of here. Reverse. Reverse. Enough of that. All right, we'll go find some other fish to play with. Got one. Yes. Let's go see Brian. What you got? You got a black? Oh, you got a linger. Yeah, that's okay. You got to start somewhere, buddy. Yeah. You, the got it on the Lancer, the 4-ounce, the big as he was. Hey, it's nice only fishing in 30 feet of water. Haven't done this in a while out here on the ocean. I got out of there just in time. A big old swell just swallowed up that rock. Little bit froggy. You can't see the White House. Yeah, you can't see the White House. You can't see the lighthouse. Oh boy, Steve's let's film Steve real quick here. I'm not so sure I'd be going on that side of the rock. Here we go. He's brave. Hang on, buddy, hang on. Yeah, dude, you're crazy.
Trying to get away from
You got one more to ride. You gotta watch out for that.
I was trying. I was like, fuck, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no. Bleep. Yeah, dude. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but that swell picked you up, dude. Stay off of that side of the rock.
Yeah, now I know.
Yeah, well, yeah. Brian didn't go over there. Jim didn't go over there. Oh, but Steve.
You guys were way ahead of me. I didn't know.
Well, dude, I thought I was gonna get me a new igloo cooler and maybe a new Hobie paddle. Oh, golly. I'm gonna put a leash on you and keep you right next to me.
I'm going to the right-hand side.
Yeah, no. I just said, oh, I gotta film Steve. Hold on a second here. We might be going into rescue mode. Yeah, dude. Freaking that picture. Hey, if that had been another 6 inches higher, you would have been flipped.
That would have been funny.
No, it wouldn't have. No, it wouldn't have. Yeah, it's shallow. Enjoy fish. Oh, you could flip, you could throw a wacky rig. Yeah, you could even get away with a chatterbait here. Woo! All right. Steve narrowly escapes danger. Hey, disclaimer, just because, hey, you got a good one, right?
Hope so.
Yeah, I'm coming to you. Just bottom? No, that's a fish. You got a lingcod. That'll work. Yeah, just because you come with us doesn't mean you gotta take your life in your own hands here.
It's a sting. It's a small.
You got a cabezon.
Is that a cabezon?
Yeah, that ain't big enough, but that's what you got.
Probably close for the minimum.
Maybe.
You got a way to measure him?
Oh, gotta go reverse. I want to throw. Hopefully I got one in here. Yeah, right here. A little light tackle fishing gonna happen here. This is a really good lure. This is a 6-cent jigging spoon, 1/2 ounce, in the color Jaint Juice with the old red eye, man. This thing catches all kinds of like sea trout, cabezon, lingcod, black bass. It's a good one. It's a good one. Oh. And we could put it on our light action rod. Right now I'm hooked up for a Cinco. A little dead sticking going on. All right, so this is a lot lighter line. These things are real grabby on the bottom, man. It doesn't take long to lose one of these juicy morsels. Oh, can't spin it around because it's on a swivel. You gotta actually spin the line around. How inconvenient is that? But you don't get line twists that way. See, this is where if I was on the other side of that pinnacle right now, I'm too busy like yakking and tying up that I'd forget that swell is going to pick me up and gently set me on that pinnacle. We don't want that, do we?
If you got me on video doing that, Jim, you're gonna have to send it to me.
Oh yeah, dude, you're famous. You guys ever want to go catch kokanee? This guy's always looking for people to go kokanee fishing. Let's just say that you're not really into this ocean fishing stuff, but you have a kayak and you want to do that. Steve will set you up with some kokanee tackle and proceed to catch more fish than you and laugh about it the whole time. He's a good kokanee fisherman, does a lot of it. Good fisherman all the way around.
You're gonna catch the bottom here.
Oh, it's a little grabby here, but you know what? We're having fun.
That's right.
I think we should. Hey, let's take him to the notch. Oh, I mean that notch over there, and then we'll. I don't know. There's good fish. We will eventually when the fog clears.
Is that right over there?
Yeah, that's not the one that I almost rolled the kayak in. That's a whole nother notch.
Yeah, I'm good. I don't want to go through that one.
No, me neither. Not until I got my wetsuit on again. Enough yakking. Let's get over some fish. Let's show you how good this. That one would have got you. Got any fish underneath you? All right, I'm gonna come over and steal one from you. You can't compete with this jigging spoon, dude. I don't care what you got. You got your jerk squid on.
No, I got it.
How deep are you sitting?
40 right here, but up here there's a rock. That's like
Yeah, I'm in 50, so there's a pretty good drop right here. There we go. Dude, that was nothing. Wow. Whoa. That's because it's not a fish, dummy. Dang it. Felt like one. Golly.
that way I can't compete with it.
Ah! It broke off. Yep, you can't compete with that. I can't either because it's on the bottom. Yeah, going back to heavy line. Enough of this noodling. Oh yeah, water dog. You can't go wrong with water dog. Right here. Teeth marks and all. We don't mess around with braided line with our teeth, children. Good way to lose your... Oh, let's get away from that rock over there. Here we are again, yakking away, getting sucked in over by the rock. Let's get out here in the safe zone. I keep forgetting in here. I think I got what I need. Nope, I don't. I took it off. Oh, it's right here. Got places for everything. Come on, come out. There we are. Now we're gonna cut the braid. Gamakatsu something pliers. Come on, cut. Right there, clean cut. Now let's tie on the knot, the old uni. We're not using the uni, we're using the improved clinch. Spin me round, round like a record. Something going on over there with Brian and Steve. Having a secret meeting or something. Look at him. Let me turn the kayak around. He giving him a lure that I've never seen. What's going on over there? Come on, Jimmy, get them fingers working this morning. There we go, that'll work till we lose it. Oh, Brian's giving him a tutorial on how to tie a drop shot knot. There you go. Brian's got the youngest eyes of the group here. Pretty blue kayak you got there, bud. Yeah, I don't think we can get through that. I think it's too low. Well, that's not gonna work. Scratch that idea until we get high tide. Oh well. No biggie. Kind of cool, man. I never fish in here hardly. I've dove this before and seen what the bottom looks like. My brother shot a lingcod in here. Boy, oh boy, the smell of guano in the morning, huh? Yeah. Look at all these birds up there. Stinks like bird poo. Smells like bird poo. Trying to call in the sea lion right now. Oh, stinks. Smells like poo around here. Somebody's got a bunch of kelp in their propeller. That'd be Mr. Jackson. Looky there, dude. We're coming up to the notch that Brian and I a couple times have squeezed through. He did a whole lot better than I did when I squeezed through. I got pushed through part way, turned sideways, and rejected. Hey, look at the cool birds. Oh yeah, back to my birding. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, we got fish. Oh, dude, we got some hungry fish. I don't know if they want a 4-ounce Lancer jig, but if I would have had that spoon still tied on, I bet I'd be getting bit right now. Hey, let's tell Steve we're going to the notch. That's pretty rude. Yeah, yeah. What is that down in the water? That better be kelp. Pretty brown and big.
Yeah.
Better not be a sea lion trying to flip me over. We're going to the notch. What's that? Hold on, let me get her. I gotta get this on film. What's that?
Spun on?
Yeah, I got spun on.
No, I'm not going through there. No.
Yeah, no. We're not going through there. No. We got to get out of this trough, go around. You see that last rock over there?
Where? Down here?
No, it's right in front of us. You see that last rock? Yeah, we're gonna go out in front of that, but you're gonna get to see the notch for the first time because it's right there.
That's a lot. Are you serious? We're going clear down?
It's not that far, Steve. This is the lighthouse. The notch is right there. But basically we go out around that and we come back into the north side of the
Get heavy winds here shortly. I don't want to get caught out here in heavy winds.
Right. You won't. Brian's taking a look at it. You think we can make it? Yeah, no, thank you. If I was in a full wetsuit, yeah, but not today. Yeah. Isn't that right, Brian? Shallow water is not our friend out here in a kayak. There's no wind, dude. It's good. There's not. Come with us.
I am, obviously, but I don't want to get into a situation I'm going to regret.
You're not going to regret this because you're going to catch fish and we're going to be out of here by 10 o'clock. That's a pinnacle out there. That's one pinnacle that we avoid. Hey, you could have taken me kokanee fishing today, you know.
Right now, I'm kind of regretting it. I'll be honest.
You're fine. I'm just telling you, you're fine. We're in 53 feet of water. The water, you see how it's starting to lay down way better. We just came from 9 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet, you know, sloshy and yucky. Found some fish right there. Back in deep water again. Let's see if we can't get on top of those fish. As soon as I get over them, I'll reel up and send her back. I'm going to get ready to send her down when I come over them. So I'm going to reel up now. Point the kayak where I just came from. Okay, we're in battle position. Let's swing this kayak, circle it. I'm looking on the screen. Oh, those marks are south of me. I gonna get sick here. Here we go. Let's point at it right there. Okay, keep going. Where is that? Spin the kayak now. I think we're close enough now. We're gonna get it. Spin it. Nope. Oh man, this might be July 1st cabazon, huh? What do we got? Oh, okay, okay. Well, we got some fish out here in no man's land. We got some I got some marks here. You got marks here, don't you?
Yep.
Yeah. We'll limit out right here. This is the best fish activity I've seen on the screen in a while. Wow, Brian, good job finding these fish. They're not biting mine yet, but they're there.
Remember that spot that we kept going back to in the wind?
Yeah, right here, huh? Yep. Oh, I just got bit. If I had a little stinger hook on, I'd probably be getting bit with that. Oh yeah, that was good. That was some good mojo. I hope I got a lingcod. Or a cabezon would be kind of cool, huh? I bet it's a cabezon, honestly. Oh my gosh, that's a big black bass. Wow. Welcome aboard, Charlie. Oh, dude. We got a tank. Oh, gee whiz. Brian, that's my biggest bass ever. Wow, I don't know if you can appreciate how big this, how big this guy is. I bet he's full of worms too. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Woo! Hey, Robbie. This is for you, bud. Oh, yeah. Most people come here for peace and quiet, not a bunch of rock and roll. Does feel like the swell's building just a tad bit. Oh yeah, I'm gonna ram right into you. Huh?
It still doesn't get much better than that.
Oh, I know that. There's nothing wrong with it. Yeah. Forward. Yeah, just stay out of shallow water. Yeah, beautiful out here, isn't it?
Yeah. A lot better than the last time I was out here.
Yeah, and the last time I was out here too. Jeez. Oh, that felt good. Hooked my finger, man. Oh, and it's been a while. It's been a dry spell. Yeah, come to Papa. We'll take you. Limit. Well, that pretty much wraps up our fishing trip. I'm limited out on black bass. I kept 4. Which means now if I do catch a cabezon, I can't keep it anyway. We still have an opportunity to catch 3 lingcod. I haven't even touched a lingcod today. I don't feel like they're in here in numbers like they are in the wintertime. But we're over here on the north side of the lighthouse. We got a pretty good little pedal back to the mouth of Sunset Bay, and it's a beautiful day all the way around. The sun burned off the clouds, burned off the fog. Just beautiful out here. So if I can leave you with any, oh, there we go. I had to change batteries. Ran out of battery in mid-sentence. All right, we're sneaking up like a rabbit. And we're sneaking up on a very good fisherman. Whoa, you look good in blue, buddy. You look good in blue.
I look good in this.
Oh my God, he looks good. He says he looks good in everything. Is he a little conceited or what? Yep. Nice looking Jackson there. I love those stickers, man. I'm gonna have to get some more of those. You got a vermilion and then a China rockfish and a cabbie. Where'd the lingcod go? I don't even know if I had one on that one. This is where we started it all, right here. We would come right here all the time, and then finally you ventured down to Simpson Reef and drug me down there, and then I fell in love with that place, and then it was like a love-hate relationship as far as the pedal to get down there, and then the psychological deal of having to come back against the current, you know. Oh, is that really a fish? Yes, big lingcod. I was just closing out the video. Yes, sir. Okay, you'll take it. And on a Gibbs minnow. Gibbs minnow aren't just for kokanee anymore. That's crazy. Yeah, it's a blue one too?
No, it's just a brown one.
Oh, right on, man. Good job.
He's legal.
Legal.
Actually, it might be a little bit blue.
Little bit blue. I'm blue over you.
Blue tint.
Got blue tint.
Yep.
I'm just circling you, man. When you get him out, I'll swing over there a little closer. Yeah, I bet he's blue.
Yeah, he's got a blue tint in his mouth.
Yeah.
Not completely.
It ought to be very tasty. Those are the right size. Those are the good size to eat. There's a fish. Oh, dude, I might have a lingcod too. Hey, dog. Big dog. Big dog. What do we got? Oh, I got a greenling. They fight pretty good. They love these jigging spoons, and you can grab them. They don't have any spines. We used to call these sea trout, man. I think they are still called sea trout. The sea trout of Oregon. Look at that pretty thing. Well, if those tire tracks could talk, they would have quite a story right now. But we'll just leave it at that. So, until next time, Tide Lines. Well, these tire tracks keep going that way. Hey, do you see a white truck under the water down there? All right, you're going to want to get this. It's rolling. Oh yeah, well you can untie it too. I'll back up, buddy. I'll back up. Oh, man. I'm trying to get the flag blowing, but oh, there's a lick of wind. Hold on. It ain't much. Come on. Come on, flag. You got a flutter here. Come on, flag. Whoa, it got windy today, didn't it? Whoa, you better watch out for that wind. You gotta watch out for that wind's coming. All right, my biggest black, 5.43. So I'm always wanting a 5-pounder, you know. Okay, take that off, and then I'll have you film me a little bit. I'll go over by my kayak. People are starting to come, so I might clam up. But check this out. All right, that's my biggest black to date.
5.43.
5.43. That is a good fish. Whoa, it's really big. Okay, thanks. Thank you.